The Battle of Lake Regillus, fought around 496 BCE, was a crucial conflict between the newly established Roman Republic and the forces of exiled king Lucius Tarquinius Superbus, Tarquin the Proud, who sought to reclaim his throne. Tarquin had been the last king of Rome before being overthrown in 509 BCE, and he spent years seeking allies to help him regain power. His biggest support came from the Latin League, a powerful alliance of Latin cities led by Octavius Mamilius, the dictator of Tusculum, and Tarquin's son-in-law. Determined to crush the Roman Republic, the Latins gathered a strong army and prepared for war. In response, the Romans, fearing the return of tyranny, appointed Aulus Postumius Albus as dictator, granting him absolute power to lead Rome in this time of crisis. His second in command was Titus Aetius, serving as master of the cavalry. The two armies met near Lake Regillus, a battlefield located in the Latin territory, possibly near modern-day Frascati. The battle was intense and bloody, with both sides suffering heavy losses. The Romans fought fiercely to protect their newfound republic, while the Latin forces led by Octavius Mamilius and Tarquin's loyalists fought to restore the monarchy. According to legend, both Aulus Postumius and Octavius Mamilius personally took part in the battle. Mamilius was eventually killed in combat, while Tarquin himself was injured and forced to flee. At one critical moment, the Roman cavalry led by Postumius launched a decisive charge that turned the tide of battle. Ancient Roman accounts also tell of a miraculous intervention by the twin gods Castor and Pollux. It was said that these divine horsemen appeared on the battlefield, fighting alongside the Romans and leading them to victory. After the battle, the Romans built a temple of Castor and Pollux in the Roman Forum to honor their supposed help. With the Latins' defeat, Tarquin the Proud lost his last real chance to reclaim the throne. He fled to Cumae, where he lived in exile until his death. The defeat of Tarquin and the Latin League helped secure the future of the Roman Republic, strengthening its control over central Italy. Later, the Romans signed a treaty with the Latins, ensuring a more peaceful relationship for a time. Though some details of the battle may be mythologized, the Battle of Lake Regillus remains a key moment in Rome's early history, marking the final defeat of the monarchy and solidifying the power of the republic.